So finally a bit of another update on the wagon. I've got it back from the shop and everything is looking super clean, as you guys could probably tell. Pretty much today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pulling off the front bumper, reinstalling that headlight, trying to fix it up because the bracket was a little broken. I got to make sure it sits perfectly. Once that's done, headlights back in, the bumper's going back on, and then I'm going to try to install my carbon fiber lip down below, well, on the bumper. So that's just going to be 3M tape and some screws, so I'm excited to see what it looks like. Also, I got my rear M Sport bumper installed, and it is looking so mean compared to the one before. It's great. I still have to order a carbon fiber diffuser for the back, but that'll be coming in soon. So today's just going to be fixing up the front end, and yeah, that's probably about it. So stay tuned. Ending up turning off the camera for a little while because I was trying to get that headlight right there sorted out. A couple of the tabs were broken, so we had to plastic weld it and melt it to make it all work. That right there too. That's from when the guy decided to hit me. So next, I'm going to be attempting to install my carbon fiber lip on my bumper. We'll see how well this goes with one person. So far I've taped all the edges right here with 3M tape. And then once that gets stuck onto the bumper, there's, I believe, like 2 screw holes, and I'll just attach it to the bumper just to kind of keep it closer. And then after that, bumper's going on the car, and this is going to look a lot better than it does right now. So, lip is on. It's looking nice. I mean, it doesn't fit 100% perfectly. It's a pretty cheap lip, like you can tell right here. There's a little bit of a gap, and I believe same thing on this side. Tiny bit of a gap, but I mean, from further away, it's not going to be noticeable. This side lined up really well. It's just this one was a little special, I guess you could say, but it'll look really nice. So now it's time to get this back onto the car, and then we'll see what it looks like. I'm so happy with this result. I got the grills back on, all the lip on, the grill on, the headlight, and man, everything put together just looks so nice. I mean, the GoPro doesn't really do it justice, but I'll be posting some pics later on my Instagram. If you don't follow that, please do soon, but that's pretty much what it's gonna look like. It already looks so much more aggressive. I can't wait till this thing is fully done.